Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Andew Mate token. Ticker symbol is GTOP. Now this is obviously a meme token that's a play off of Mr. Tate himself here. Now there's been a lot of these tokens come out recently named after presidents, celebrities, companies. I just made a video about the Book of Meme token, but it's a new token called the Book of Mem, which is the same thing. They take something popular, they give it this weird shape, and they give it a meme name in meme talk. And so now we have Andew Mate. So check out all the other videos I just did on Geo Bowden and who else? Burek, Ubima, all the other fun names. Now we have Andew Mate. This token is trending hot number 9 on DEX tools right now, and it's trending on DEX Screener as well. Which place is it on DEX Screener? It's definitely in the top 10. It is, let's see here, it is number 7 right now on DEX Screener and number 9 on DEX tools. Doing very well. Right now in the past 24 hours, this token is up 1,194%. And it's all over the place. So, I mean, it could be up 12,000% in the next, minute and then back down to 50. Who knows? The Solana meme tokens go crazy. And here's another one. We're going to go over the information on the GTOP token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Gtop basically is the ticker symbol. Instead of top G, you get it? It's backwards. So yeah, this token here is on the Solana blockchain. So if you were looking to get this token, basically all you would have to do is fund your Phantom wallet or your Soulflare wallet or your MetaMask or Trust wallet with Solana. Go into the dApps and find Raydium or Jupiter or Orca, and then you would trade your Sol for this token using the contract address that you can find on their webpage, gtop.wtf. Now, they have a Telegram, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. They're on SolScan, DEX Screener, DEX Tools, possibly Birdeye, I haven't checked yet, and they have their webpage. So they got lots of links you could check out for a brand new token. They got lots of stuff going on here. They have a market cap of $5.17 million already. Liquidity is $299,720 in Raydium. Now they have 4,040 holders so far. 24-hour trading volume is $4.27 million. Token supply and current supply, or circulating supply, is 888.81 million tokens. They have 814.39 pooled SOL in Raydium, which is equivalent to 26.32 million pooled Gtop tokens. They have a DEX score of 95 out of 99. They have a community trust score of 100% out of 7 votes. And they have a quick audit from Quick Intel Security that says contract is verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. Keep in mind that is just a quick audit, not a full audit. You should always look out for full audits and KYCs and all that type of stuff to review. Now, their Telegram is at Gtop on Solana, and they have 482 subscribers on there. And they're on SolScan. And it says here that, come on, load up screen. I don't know why my internet is so slow today. 9 decimal places on this token. And they have here their web page. You got to click to enter, basically. Then at the top of their page, it has all their social links, tokenomics, DEX screener chart, buy button. It'll take you right to Raydium. So Andew Mate is the official king of the streets in the Solana kingdom. He's saving people, animals, and even reptiles from the brokey life. He coming to save you. You just need to accept it and watch how he keto every zero from the price until your bank account goes brr. Buy Gtop now and change your life. Change your life. Or buy it tomorrow at $1 and change your life, or don't buy it. Stay poor, brokey. Then they have the contract. They have the contract address. Amazing pictures on their webpage. Amazing memes. So he's holding out like he's holding out 2 things, like, you know, they hold out the blue pill or the red pill. You get to click on one of them. One of them says stay woke, and the other one says drive Bugatti. And so if you let's see what one of them takes you to a 4chan board. If you click stay broke, it'll take you over to 4chan. And then the other one will take you over to it's trying to get me to Google Translate it because it's all broken English. And it takes me over to a page where you can, it's an image generator where basically you can put your face in a Bugatti. So don't click on the brokey one. Click on the top G one. Is your choice stay brokey forever or drive Bugatti? What color is your Bugatti? And then it says tokenomics. We pretty much went over all that already. Nothing new there. King of Solana. And it says, please note that Andew Mate is purely a meme figure. Any information provided here should not be considered as financial advice. Furthermore, we want to emphasize we have no affiliation or connection with Mr. Tate himself with any shape or form. So just be aware of that. Now, when was this token? This pool was created 13 days ago, it says on Raydium. So it's a little bit older, but it's just taking off today, basically. So there you go. Check out a Gtop. You can get this token off of Raydium. And check out their Twitter at Gtop_Sol. And I'm going to put that in the corner of the screen over there. They just joined in March 2024. They already have over 9,000 followers. Has a link to their Telegram and their webpage right there on that Twitter. And then their contract address is in the pinned tweet there. So basically everything you need is right on that Twitter there. And they have 69 tweets so far. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.